You love a hard touch, you my one. It lingers when we're done.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Alexandria Mom. Today's video, I knew that I wanted to do it last summer when I was home, and then it just like didn't work out. The whole theme of copying celebrities' Instagrams or recreating iconic photos or doing your hair and makeup and kind of living a day in the life of that given celebrity, whatever. This is all happening right when Ariana and Pete Davidson got engaged and everything like blew up. So I thought it would be so fun to recreate Ariana Grande's style. I didn't want to recreate her exact photos. I just kind of wanted to do like a vibe and see how that worked. I thought that it could be more of like a Halloween costume inspired idea, kind of lookbook style thing. This is the first picture that was inspired by Ariana Grande. The light is coming. I was rocking a high pony, just minding my own business. So I posted that. And then this next photo is inspired from the God is a Woman music video, which I thought was absolutely amazing. The cool thing about this one is that it is so affordable. I cannot even stress it enough. For a Halloween costume, I think this is perfect because you can literally use things that you already have. For this entire look, I used 4 products. The first thing I used is I have this multi-colored palette. This palette is literally like $1 off of the Wish app. So you can tell they're super tiny, but what I did, I used like this entire row and some of that one, and I just like scraped off the colors and then Vaseline. I literally mixed it with Vaseline and it turned into like a type of like lipsticky cream. So yeah, just literally painted that all over. And then I used my Glossier Lid Star in the shade Lily. This is a really pretty purple color to add some accents and color to the look. And then last but not least, this is what really brought the look together. This is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream. My camera died, so I just took a mini break and I talked about the God is a Woman cover. I wanted to recreate this picture. I took this wig. I got this from Amazon. It is synthetic hair. It's a lace front wig. It's super long and just luscious and like pretty. Last but not least, this photo, and this was just inspired by her long ponytail, oversized clothes, and then thigh-high heeled boots. I had my extensions in and I put my hair in a high pony, and I just did like regular makeup, and I was wearing my I Am the Future oversized t-shirt from Fashion Nova, and then some thigh-high black suede boots, and that was just like a mirror selfie. I feel like she takes so many mirror selfies, so I was like, getting it. So these are the pictures that I recreated for my Ariana Grande. I'm gonna call it an inspired Instagram feed. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I definitely am gonna keep some of these in mind for Halloween because I don't even know what I'm gonna do for Halloween yet. But I think I know who I'm going to be doing next in the next video, which I'm so excited for. Stay tuned and make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and turn on those post notifications so you can stay posted with my weekly videos. If you don't know what that is, it is the little gray bell right down there. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.